20 astonishing python snake facts that will make your jaw drop. See, we might have been seeing the python snake. Now you will see what are the wow facts about this python snake. Wow number 1. These snakes can grow up to 20 feet long. They are non-venomous constrictors. Pythons have heat-sensing pits to locate prey. They can go without food for several months. These snakes can swallow prey larger than their heads. They can unhinge their jaws to accommodate large meals. They have an excellent camouflage abilities. They are found in Africa, Asia and Australia and many other countries. Some types of pythons are capable of climbing trees. They have sharp backward curving teeth. They are excellent swimmers. Wow, really? Pythons have a lifespan of up to 30 years. 30 years, yeah. Female pythons lay clutches of up to 100 eggs. They coil around their eggs to provide warmth. They exhibit parental care by guarding their eggs. They can exert tremendous squeezing force when constricting prey. They have a flexible skull to aid in swallowing prey. They have a slow metabolic rate. They are lethargic. Pythons are often kept as pets due to their docile nature. Some python species are endangered due to habitat loss. Thanks for watching the video. We will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.